Hello everyone! So today I am going to teach you guys how to add and remove snaps like this. As we can see, I created this adorable baby outfit and I put snaps. So I'm going to teach you today how to add and remove these snaps. And this outfit, along with many other outfits, are also available on my Etsy shop, which I will link below. So let's get started. So here are some of the items that you are going to need. So of course you're going to need your fabric. For this example, I have two pieces of fabric just to use as an example as to what we need. You're going to need your snaps, of course. I got these from Amazon. I will have it linked below. You're going to need a marker or a pencil to kind of mark where you want your snaps to be. And then the snaps did come with a plier. So you're going to be needing this plier, and this is going to be useful for both the add-on and the remove of the snaps. So before we get started, I want to kind of teach you guys a little bit about the snaps. So you are going to need two of these, one for the front side and one for the back side, and these look like this. So mine came in many different colors. I mainly use the silver ones, of course. Or like sometimes if it's like a pink outfit, I'll use pink, orange, etc. So you're going to need two of these. You're going to need one of these. And then you are also going to need one of these right here. So this is going to go for the top portion of the snap, and this is going to be at the bottom portion of the snap. And as we could see in here, there is something like a piece of wood or something. We'll take that out. But yeah, so you're gonna need one for the top and one for the bottom. And then I also want to show you this. So this is gonna be so useful. Let me move all the stuff out the way. This is gonna be so useful when it comes to putting on the snap. Like, you would not be able to put on the snap without this. So as we could see, from like the eye itself, like everything looks the same, right? But when you look inside, this thing has a different shape than this one. So for this one, you are going to put this like this, okay? And you know you did it correctly when you could go like this and it doesn't come out. So you're basically gonna face the head inside here, and it has to be the one with the flat bottom, okay? So it's not gonna be this one. Let me try to get a closer view. So it's not gonna be this one, but it's gonna be the one with the flat bottom, as we could see here. All right, so like I was saying, this is the one with the flat bottom, as you could see. So you're gonna face this down like this and put that like that. And then for mine, for some reason, this won't let me put this in here, but you would put this like this in the other one. That is not the flat bottom. All right, so now I'm gonna actually show you how to attach the snaps. All right, so ignore how dusty this is, but basically what you're gonna do is you're gonna fold the piece of fabric in half, because when you put on the snaps, it's most likely going to be on a fabric that is already folded in half, or you know, double fabric. So you're going to fold your fabric in half, and then what you're going to do is you're going to get your little pliers, and like I said, you're going to put it on this side that is flat, so the flat side, as we could see here. And then you're just going to place this down like this. All right, and whenever you are doing something with snaps, whether it's a baby outfit or like an adult outfit or anything in between, you're just gonna mark kind of where you want the snaps and like measure it out. So what I normally do is, where the marking is, you're gonna put this on top. So the piece that has the head is gonna go on top. So you're gonna put this on top, and normally I just put it through the marking like this. Okay, so I put it through the marking like this, I leave it like that, okay? And then what I do is I grab the pliers. Okay, so this side is gonna be for this piece. So what I do is that I put this piece through enough so where I could see it, and then I put my finger kind of holding on top of that and holding the fabric like flat, and then I just push down. And I hold it for like a couple seconds, and like make sure you push down hard, okay? So push down a little hard, hold it for a couple seconds, and then release, and it should look like this. And then as you could see, you have like a perfect snap. And then I just secure it. So I hold it down and I secure it like this. All right, and there we go. So we have the top part. So this is always going to be on the top part. Now I'm going to put this down like this. For the bottom part, you're going to grab this piece, okay, and there's two different ways. So this should be on the bottom of the plier, okay? This is what you're going to need to see when you are putting this on the plier. So make sure when you put it in the same position as the last one, you put in the flat one, you put it like this, okay? Where you could see these little ridges. Otherwise, it's not gonna apply. Let me try to get more focus. So you put it like this, okay? Where you see the little ridges, not like this, okay? If you see this, this has to go on the bottom. So you're gonna put it like this, same concept, but remember how we put this on top for the bottom piece, or like the other piece, I'm losing focus, you're gonna put this on the bottom so that way it can attach the way it's supposed to attach. So this goes on the bottom. So remember, first piece with the top goes on top and this one goes on the bottom, whereas this piece will go on top like that. And sometimes there will be like a piece of wood or something, I don't know why, but just remove it with a whatchamacallit, a needle. Okay, so same concept. So remember, this is going to go on the bottom. So you would do the same thing. We're going to pretend I marked it. We're going to put it on the bottom to where we can see it like this, okay? Then what you're going to do is you are going to flip the pliers over, put the bottom in here, do the same thing. Okay, so hold it down a little bit and then press. Okay, and then you're going to press really hard for about 3 or 4 seconds. And release, and there you go. You have a bottom thing. And now, same thing, just secure it. Just go around and secure it. All right. So now we can attach the top part to the bottom. And I will make another video on how to attach the snaps on a baby outfit. But see, both of them are attaching, and I usually just do it a couple times to like make sure that it is secure, but they're pretty secure. All right, let's say you accidentally put the snap on the wrong way. So what you're gonna do is you're going to take these parts out, okay? So take this out, and even if you put the snap on the wrong way, you could still reuse this and this. You just can't reuse this part anymore. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna grab the snap and you're gonna put the two metal pieces like this and sandwich the snap, and then kind of squeeze them together. And there you go. That's how you remove the snap. And you could still use that. And then as you could see, you could take this out. So you would take this out very carefully like this, and there you go. And then once you iron it, it should go back to normal. As we could see, it's not that much damage to this. So let's do that for the other side as well. So we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna get these, sandwich it together. Okay. This one's a little bit harder. But there you go. Look, it came out. And then this should be easy to do. And then you would do like literally the same thing. Take it out, throw this in the garbage, but you could still keep this because this is still good. As you can see, it's still good. So yeah, so that's how you remove and attach snaps to any outfit. And like I said before, I will teach you another video on how to attach snaps on a baby outfit or any outfit in between, because I literally learned by trial and error. I tried to find videos on YouTube, couldn't find it. So I hope this helps. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bam.